This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can recenter the camera gimbal on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch the settings section, then open the control category, scroll down, and look for the Recenter Gimbal button. That's a standalone option, so tap on it to recenter your gimbal or to make it look down or look underneath the drone, or rather direct its camera underneath the drone, or if you would like to for the camera to look straight or in front of the aircraft, just tap again at the recenter and it will rise up. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.